just so much smarter than them. Maybe I just needed you around me. Drank a lot tonight, I know. She can drive your car and you can roll. Take you where you wanna.
Here's 5 underrated, possibly undervalued metaverse stocks that you need to know. Every other week, we let our members choose which industry or sector they want to get analyzed. And these were the metaverse related stocks that our fundamental analysis expert FA Wizard picked to be shaping the new digital reality. First up, we got Immersion. Feel free to pause to read. VRAR, Copen, Weeme, last but not least, Imagine with an E. And looks like the next industry we're doing a deep dive in is e-commerce. If you're curious and want to learn more about undervalued stocks in different sectors, definitely go check out our Discord. We're a Discord partner community covering all things stocks and crypto, and whether you're a newbie or experienced investor or trader, there is a place for you here in LKS. Alright, listen up. Here's 5 lesser known metaverse stocks that are all under $15. I'm going to talk about this one first since you mentioned in the comments, but this is a Chinese company called Weime. They produce AR entertainment products and advertising services. Second, we got Immersion. And they are focused on making haptic technology that let people use their sense of touch in digital products. Third, we got VRAR, or the Glimpse Group, which, as the ticker name stands, a diversified VR and AR platform company that aims to provide solutions across all industries. Up next, we have Copen, which is a company that produces microdisplay and parts with a focus on the military and industrial application, with over 200 patents and patents pending. Last but not least, we got Imagine with an E. And they are the leading US producer of OLED microdisplays, which will likely rise in demand as we see more production in AR and VR products. The detailed write-up will be posted in the Loki Stonks TikTok account or can be found in my Discord, so definitely go check it out if you're interested.
Top for Metaverse. Stocks for 2022.
I'm on the side of your town. Lit. I'm on the side of your town. Damn. I'm on the side of your town.
Most people that made money in the gold rush wasn't from actually finding gold. It was the people that were selling like the pick and shovels to the people that's trying to look for gold. Mm-hmm. So the same thing with the metaverse, where these guys are, they have data centers. They have 280 data centers across 50 metropolitan areas. So the ticker is DLR, and they're in 6 continents. So as VR, AR grows, data centers are going to grow as well, right? It's going to be more data centers needed. It's just common sense. So that's something to consider. And they pay a good dividend. So the dividend was $1 in 2005, and the dividend is $4.64 now. And it's up 84% over the last 5 years. Another one is Autodesk, ADSK. You up on them?
No, not that one.
So
we talked about it 10 months ago.
Okay. So yeah, it's a good refresher. They sell 3D simulation software. So very complex 3D structures. So if you look at their chart, they've been killing for the last like decade, 5 years. So they're another one that's probably going to benefit from this whole metaverse, virtual reality, AR. To see the full episode, go to our YouTube channel or subscribe to Market Mondays on all podcast outlets.
Yo. This is what I got today for you guys. Roblox. Your kid probably plays Roblox. You probably seen it in some form. It's a video game, but it's a very important video game right now because of the metaverse coming into action. Roblox basically built the metaverse before people thought of the metaverse. So they already have a whole entire platform ready for the metaverse, and they announced that they are going to use it for that. Nike has already gotten with them and built stuff inside of their metaverse platform. So Roblox is ready to go for 2022. It was at like 140 and they beat it down to 95. 95 is where it's a buy. 95 is a strong buy for Roblox. So this is my stock of the day. If you have dip money, grab you Roblox at 95 right now, and you will not regret it in about 6 months. I promise you that.
Big news today on Facebook. Facebook got crushed today on earnings. Not doing too good. But if you ever wanted to invest in Facebook or Meta, I think right now would be a really good entry point. Online advertisement, I think, despite the headwinds they have right now, is only going to keep on growing. more small businesses, more online businesses are coming out. Plus, if you're interested in the metaverse, they're going to be a major player in that. They're going to have a major impact that I feel like at these current prices, they're not getting any credit for that. I know it's still a long shot, but this is when you invest in them, when it's not a sure thing to make the good returns.
Hey Ross, what do you think of this whole metaverse thing? I'm actually a big fan. I invested in the metaverse a few months back. No way. What NFTs did you buy? I've been looking into Decentraland. I didn't buy any NFTs or metaverse coins. Then how did you invest in the metaverse? I just own a bunch of Roundhill's metaverse ETF. There's a metaverse ETF? Yep, I love their top 10 holdings and believe that even if the metaverse fails, this ETF will continue to grow. Dang, maybe I should look into that. Hey, where'd you learn this? I do research so you don't have to. That's why you should follow me.
Look at this.
Shares of Meta, the parent company of Facebook, are getting absolutely destroyed today, down 19%, wiping some $230 billion of market cap off of the company. What happened? Well, Facebook reported fourth quarter results yesterday and said that daily active users fell for the first time in its history. That's less people spending less time on Facebook, on Instagram, and WhatsApp. But it also disclosed that it lost $10 billion last year building out Reality Labs. That's the Oculus virtual reality glasses, but also the metaverse that Mark Zuckerberg is so keen on building. A couple things to know about Facebook, or Meta shares as we call them today. Mark Zuckerberg is the biggest shareholder in Meta. He owns some 29% of the company, but the majority of voting shares. So he could do whatever he wants with the company, and shareholders can't do anything about it. He can go lose $10 billion next year on Reality Labs, $20 billion, whatever he wants to do. But also, Facebook is one of the most widely held companies inside mutual funds and ETFs, especially tech mutual funds and ETFs. So while you think this might not affect you if you don't own Facebook shares directly, if you own some of the big index funds or some of the big technology ETFs or mutual fund ETFs, the shares of Facebook or Meta that are dropping today are bringing those down. So this is a big moment in Facebook or Meta's history, and it could be affecting your portfolio as well.